Hello viewers, we have brought to you the top 3 best carbon monoxide detectors review powered by the CR Review. Number 3. The first alerts Go 5CN combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarm features dual sensors to detect both smoke and carbon monoxide in a single device. A photoelectric sensor detects the smoke most often produced by smoldering fires, and minimizes false alarms from cooking smoke or shower steam. Additionally, the advanced electrochemical co-sensor detects carbon monoxide leaks from multiple sources, such as faulty fuel burning appliances, blocked chimneys, and generators running inside or too close to homes. A loud, 85 decibel siren alerts you to the threat. Unique alarm sounds and indicator lights on its face distinguish a smoke warning from a carbon monoxide warning. Number 2. The 5800 Co is a 3-volt battery-powered wireless carbon monoxide co-detector intended for use with Honeywell alarm systems that support 5800 series wireless devices. It provides early warning when its electrochemical sensing technology measures carbon monoxide levels in the air. The 5800 Co is specifically designed for system operation and is fully listed to EL 2075 as a system-supervised detector. It contains a piezoelectric horn which generates the ANSI AS3.41 temporal 4 pattern in an alarm condition. The detector consists of an electrochemical carbon monoxide sensor assembly coupled with a wireless transmitter. Number 1. LED lights, green for normal operation, red for alarm, amber for error. Digital display, displays the level of carbon monoxide the unit is sensing. The unit updates this reading every 15 seconds. 10-year sealed and lithium batteries. Unit will continue to operate for 10 years. Alerts user to replace unit after 10 years of operation. Peak level memory, displays the highest CO concentration measured since the last reset. Test reset, tests CO alarm circuit operation and allows you to immediately silence the alarm.